children, in today's class we are going to see about nature's bounty. Bounty means something we get generously from nature. Let us start the class with a small story.
Sylvie went to a garden. She saw a yellow flower on the tomato plant. She went to pluck it. A bee came and said, "Please leave it for me. It is my food." Then she saw a red tomato on the tomato plant. She went to pluck it. A parrot came and said, "Please leave it for me. It is my food." Then she saw a green leaf on the tomato plant. A grasshopper came and said, "Please don't pluck the leaf. It is my food." From this story, we came to know that plants provide food for all living things. Plants gives us many things like vegetables, fruits, cereals, spices and pulses. Children, shall we label the parts of the plant? Yes. Root, stem, leaf, flower and fruit. Leaves. Plants have different kinds of leaves. Banana leaf, coconut leaf, mint, drumstick leaf, neem, coriander, tulsi and mango leaves. They are of various sizes, shapes, colors and textures. Some leaves are used as medicine like mint, tulsi and neem. Vegetables. We get vegetables from plants. Here are some commonly used vegetables. Let's name them. Pumpkin, beans, cabbage, carrot, cucumber, beetroot, tomato, radish and brinjal. Vegetables keep us healthy and strong. So children, you all should eat more vegetables. Children, tell me, why should we eat fruits? Because fruits provides vitamins, minerals and many nutrients. Most fruits change their color when they ripen, like mango, guava and banana. Next comes fleshy fruits, chiku and papaya. Small fruits, grapes and berries. Sour fruits, lemon and gooseberry. Juicy fruits, orange and watermelon. Big fruits, jackfruit and watermelon. Sweet and sour fruits, pineapple and grapes. Dry fruits, raisins, dates and fig. Flowers, rose, sunflower, tulip, lotus and hibiscus. Flowers are in different shapes, colors and petals. Some flowers have a pleasant smell. Can you all help me, children, to match the flowers with the petals? Are you all ready? Let's go. Hibiscus, lotus, rose, and sunflower. Yes, very good.
Fruits and vegetables are food for many animals and birds too.
Cutting down of trees causes drought. Because of drought, there will be no rainfall. So, many living things will die. So, we should save trees and plant more. This leads a healthy and happy environment for all living things.